Oh, okay. Wala na. Anja, where there? We're on the pot.
We're leaving out to go see my dad. Everybody freshen up. My little fan. Ooh. Ooh. Only daddy want to freshen up yet. No. Eh. No.
Oh, you can move on the grass.
I mean, if you go, you're not coming with me. We're gonna get peanut soup. We're gonna raise some. I heard about you. I heard that your soup tastes very good. So it's gonna be my first time tasting it, and I hope it's really true.
It's really true. So why not no meat?
So guys, we're gonna taste peanut soup. You know, everybody been talking about this peanut soup. By the way, we're across the street from OFC, Oriental Fried Chicken. So yeah.
Yep, I mean, tell us, I mean, when you're using the pan can and stuff.
So let them know who you are. Say it again.
Jamas, the original soup man. 40 years from 15 cents a cup.
Wow.
Coming right up to this moment.
That's very good.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Alright.
And it's really delicious. Great coconut juice and difference.
Wow. My friend, I'm happy to see this because he's been telling me about you.
You're going to travel with it?
Yeah, man.
To bring them cover here.
Oh, it's fine, man.
Okay, darling.
Yeah, we understand. So I got some time.
Yeah, man. It's really delicious. You're going to love it.
Oh, thank you. Strong and nice. Hey, thank you so much. Yes, man.
I'm going to start to leave Germany here. And when you come here and tell me to Rasta, me go to me, say, me no stop coming to me reach here, Germany.
Me come again. Lovely Ras. Oh my God. Alright, have a blessed evening here. Yes, Rasta. Alright. Let me just put it up. Man, talk is good here. Yes, sir, Daddy. Want a big bowl should I get?
I want a big bowl should I get when I'm some
yes, sir. Strong up your body, boo. Nice, man. Yep.
Did I wrap? I record it. Nice.
Lovely, man.
Look at granny over here.
Guys, I'm telling the soup, it tastes so good. No meat, nothing. You can tell the man, no stuff. Soup nice. And if you never taste it, make sure say if you ever come to Jamaica, make sure you stop right then. It's good. It's nutritious. Well done. Anything I like down? Look at the goat. Josh, you see the goat? Nice goat. Oh, the peanut soup taste, Josh?
It's peanut.
You like it? Okay, here's peanut. Jerry, you're sleeping. Fix your shirt, baby. Oh, you like it, Haley? Nice. Guys, Daddy finding mangoes. You see it? Here, mango. Look, Remy.
We can come out and ready.
Hi, Jamil.
Here, man. We have it.
Don't tell nobody to do. Menua. Lad, God, don't come. Say hello. We ate that here. Alright, yeah, man, alright. Yeah. Wanna come? Come, baby, come. Yes, Ellie, go in. Go in and eat, Ellie. That's not a lime, that's the avocado, Joey. Yes? Wait there. Oh, wow. Wow, flourishman. Yes, baby. Alright.
So Jamaica bless, you know? Everywhere you just find mango.
And food.
You find fruits and food everywhere.
Yep.
You travel miles and miles in America and you can't find one fruit tree unless you go up on the farm.
This is the luxurious bush I'm coming from according to my husband. Yep. I'm tired already. Oh my God. Guys, this is my beautiful, luxurious bush. This is where. Hi, Perry. Well, don't wait for me now, lad. Wait. May I tumble away? Like the children tomorrow ruined the little surprise, guys. No. Guys, this is my beautiful cousin. Hi. Joey, what are you doing? Yeah, Brock thinking to her?
Hi.
This is Khalees. Say hi, Khalees.
What is it?
Oh, hi, Josh. You getting to know your cousin? You playing with them? You having fun? You want to go back to America? You want to go back? It's Khalees here, guys. Say hi. Say hi to everybody. This is my second cousin, Khalees.
What is this?
She's so pretty, so outspoken. Right, Khalees? Khalees asked me, where are they gone? Where are they there? We did a foreign Khalees. Busy. Busy that. Hi, baby. You want my camera? Guys, Khalees want my camera. You want to start the show, Khalees? Huh? You want to start the show?
She's shy.
She's not shy.
She don't shy.
She's not shy at all. So you're not a shy girl, right?
If she's shy, she don't want to run.
Exactly. You're a bright, polite girl, right? And you're not scared of the camera, right? So tell them what's up. What's going on in Jamaica? Tell them what's going on in Jamaica.
You see? I say she's shy.
Tell them why they should come to Jamaica. You don't know? Oh, so cute. It's okay. Just the truth.
So
cute. Oh. What that mother the Ellie? No man, I can't carry baby there for her mother. Because you don't have a baby. So cute. Oh.
May I take that one here?
Can't take them.
No, the owner can't take one.
No, the baby need him mother, may I tell you.
Yeah,
What if your mom? What if somebody took it for your mom? You know?
no.
This is my granddad's grave.
Mommy.
Yes. Yeah.
You know. I have to mind up for this class.
Cute.
But this one
How
like
you
me.
want him, mother?
This one like me. This one.
He's stepping on mango.
Is it quiet?
Look at these beautiful chickens. Hello. These chickens belong to my sister, you know. She's scared to be on camera. Aww. They eat a lot, Andrea? Oh my. Hello and bless you.
I have some baby one up here still at the nursery.
Wow, Andrea. Oh God, I'm proud of you. Let's talk about Miss Independent. Wow. No man, I'm proud of you, man. Look there. You know, say you're blessed, Andrea?
That'll be the glory.
Yeah, man, you're blessed. They're warm, though.
There's an eat bird.
Okay. These are the chickens that will be ready like in what, 2 weeks? Yeah. Yeah, man. Yes, Abby. Yes, Abby, I eat that one. Yeah, I eat chicken then. Guys, it's night and we're still here. Look at my brother, guys. This is my darling brother. Yeah, this is my brother. I'm a big sister, guys. Eh? Abby, tell me what I... Let me see him. My nice cousin, watch him. Yeah, put them back in there. Guys, we just arrived back home and this is what I purchased. You know, at the store I pick up a few little things for the children's knickknacks. Yep, so this really cost us, you know, roughly $9,000. Yep. So guys, before we go to bed, just want to show you guys where Obi and I will be laying our sweet eggs every night until we go back to the USA.